and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing the Saviland nail art gels, and I'm really excited to be showing you guys what I will be creating as well with these. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do all types of nail videos. So like I said, here in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing the nail art gels, and yeah, let's get on starting to unboxing this. So as you can see, this is what the packaging looks like. I absolutely love it. And then here on the back, I just want to clear, so they are 100% vegan and cruelty free, a slight order, and no animal testing. And then here obviously it does have some caution, so keep them out of the reach of children. And then it says follow directions and how to store them, so that way you don't mess up your gels. As well as if any of you guys are interested in their social media, here it is. And yeah, let's get on to unboxing these gels. And I will be going in with my gold vintage scissors to unbox it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, tell me what to do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you.
So as you can see here, this is everything that was in the box. So it did come with some brushes, as you can see here, which I will be using to create the nail set that I will be showing you guys how to do. As well as obviously it does come with a little manual of, if you guys don't know how to use these or whatever the case may be, or you just are getting into nails, this is perfect. And it shows you guys how to do the steps and how to use them. So I definitely love that. It tells you how to remove them and all that good stuff. So I love that. So as you can see, this is what the colors look like. So there is 36 colors in here, as you can see, and I'm very excited to be opening them. So there is a mixture of like black, purples, pinks, greens, yellows, oranges, reds, maroons, purples, blues, and a neutral color. So I'm very excited to be showing you guys what these look like. So the first thing that I will be doing is I am going to start off by swatching all the colors. So before we start swatching, I do want to show you guys also the brushes and what they look like. So as you can see, they do have a white handle, and it does come with a variety of them, as you can see here. So another thing that I also did want to mention is that it does come with a variety, which I like. So we have like a little dotting tool, we have like a gel brush, a fan brush, like a liner brush, another small gel brush, another one like a cleanup brush, a liner brush, another fan brush, some gel brushes, some liner brushes, as you could see as well. And this is what they look like, just to show you guys real quick. And also they do come with the caps on, so love that, so that way your brushes could be nice and sanitary and clean for whenever you receive them. So I am going to be taking these out the box, and we'll be showing you guys what other colors look like. So the first one that I'm going to open is number 1. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super simple. I love it. And I also do like that it has the color at the top, so it makes it easier to see what I'm looking for. So this is number 1. Another thing is that they do come with the AML, and it is LED UV paint gels. And as you can see, they also do come sealed, so I love that, so that way your colors don't spill. So this is what the first one looks like. Super pigmented, as you can see. So now I will be swatching all the colors. Very, let me tell you, very pigmented. This is only one coat, as you can see. Super nice. So now I will be swatching the rest and showing you guys what all the colors look like. Okay, so I am done swatching them, and this is the only brush that I used to apply the gel onto the swatch stick. So just a little FYI, if anybody was interested or wondering, curious, whatever. So here are all the colors swatched. I did actually label them already, as you can see, because since they only have numbers, I just kind of put the name and the number, and I put them all in order from the numbers. So here are all the colors, and these all are just one coat, which love. So we have like some black, white, greens, purples, pinks, blues. Super pretty. This baby blue is so pretty. So yeah, just a little mixture of everything, as you can see. And these are all 36 colors from the Saviland nail art little gels. And now I will be showing you guys the set that I did, and I will be doing a voiceover over it. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and make sure to keep on watching to see how I create this set. So as you can see, I will go ahead and create a press on set, and I will be going in with this brush that came in the brush set with the gels. So it's just a flat gel brush, and the first color that I will be going in with is number 11, which is the white. And I'm just simply grabbing a small amount and I'm going to be placing it on the nail, spreading it evenly and equally on the nails, so that way I don't have to go in with another coat, and I'm only going to go in with one coat. So as you can see here, I'm just going in and spreading it onto the nail tip, and I will make sure to link down below all the products that I use here in this video, so make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't, and make sure to use the code if it's available, so that way you guys could go ahead and save some money. So as you can see here, I'm just simply applying the gel onto the nail tip, and obviously if you need more product, go ahead and get it and use it, so that way your nails can have a nice thin layer of the gel. So I'm just simply going to be creating a little fall inspirational set, as you could see. So I'm going in with a white base, and I will go ahead and create a white base for the rest of the nails as well, and I will go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds underneath the lamp with each.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
And just to give you guys a quick little tip, as you can see here, I am going with light strokes onto the gel, applying the gel, so that way whenever I go in and cure it, it doesn't bubble up or give me like that effect that I don't want. I just want it to be thin and as smooth as possible. So you also want to keep that in mind when applying gel on like this instead of with the brush. I feel like with this you have obviously way more control than using the brush from the bottle, but that's just my personal opinion. Definitely comment down below if you guys prefer gel in a bottle or like gel pots, or what you guys prefer. Definitely comment down below. I would love to hear your guys' feedback. And as you see here, I am applying it to all the nails, and I will go ahead and cure for 60 seconds on all of them.
I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, tell me what to do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So as you can see here, this is what they look like after they're done curing, and this is the dotting tool that I will be going in with that came in the brush set. And as you can see here, I'm just going in with some alcohol, spraying it on the napkin, so that way whenever I go in and clean my dotting tool, I don't have to worry about it. And these are all the colors that I will be using, and I will be applying onto the nails. So I did use number 3, 13, 16, 26, 29, 33, and 35. And as you see here, like I said, the dotting tool that came in the brush set, I will also be using to create some dots on the nail tips. And all I'm doing is using all of these colors and just creating dots on the nails. It's very simple for me, so this is what I came up with, and I will be using all the colors that I mentioned and applying it onto the set. Like I did mention, it is the beginning of September and I'm already getting fall vibes, so I definitely wanted to do something fallish and wanted to give you guys some inspo if you guys are interested in more simple stuff. So as you see here, I'm just creating dots with the dotting tool, and this is the process. Also with this, as you could see, I am just creating a bunch of different size dots. Even though this dotting tool is on the smaller side, the more product that you grab, the more and bigger dot that you could create. So as you can see here, I'm just simply creating different dots on all the different corners and inches of the nail. And also, as you could see, I am separating all my colors. I do not want any color close to each other, so I'm kind of just adding like a couple dots of each color and applying it to the nail, as you see here. And after I am satisfied with my design, I will go ahead and cure for 60 seconds underneath the lamp, so that way it doesn't get messed up during the process. So as you could see here, or if you are more clumsy or whatever the case may be, you could always just place a dot, cure it, place another dot and cure it, and go like that as well. But this is just simply how I do it, and I will be doing it to the rest of the nails as well.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you.
So this is what the design looks like after I am done with it, as you can see here. So now I will go ahead and apply my Hey Beautiful Luminoso Luxe Top Coat, which I have been loving, so that way it can give this nail set a nice glossy finish. And like I did mention, make sure to go check out the description for any of the products that I use here in this video, and make sure to use my code with Hey Beautiful, so that way you guys can go ahead and save some money. So I am just going to apply a nice layer to give it a nice glossy finish, and I will go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds underneath the lamp.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play.
And this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Definitely comment down below your thoughts and opinions on this nail set, and hope that you guys enjoyed yet again. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload. As well as do not forget to check out any of my social media, as well as any discount codes that are available, linked down below in the description. And again, this is the final result, and see you guys in the next one.